This is part 2 of the video of the lesson Urida Baduku from Siri Kannada grade 9. In part 1, we had seen the background and the summary of the lesson. Now we will look in detail into the lesson. Bagilu muchitu. The door was closed. Sittininda Tippanna kuddu hoda. Sittu is anger and kuddu hoda is boiling. Tippanna was boiling with anger. ಕಾಸಿಮಲಿಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವಳನ್ನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಲ್ಲಬಾರದೆನಿಸಿತು ಅವನಿಗೆ. So he felt like why not kill her itself instead of ಕಾಸಿಮಲಿ. ಈಗ ಅಪರಾತ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? It is midnight. Where can I go now? ಬರುವಾಗ ಯಾರೋ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನಿಸಿತು. And while he was coming, he felt like somebody was following him. Somebody was behind him. ಚೀಟಿ ಪಾಟಿ ಚಿಲ್ಲವಾರ ದಾಟಿ ಅಂಕು ಡೊಂಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂತೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಓಣಿ ಹಾದು ಸುಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿಕೊಂಡು ತಿಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ. So ತಿಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ had to pass through a lot of narrow lanes and go take lot of turns and reach this place. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ. And now this is the condition. The door is closed. So, in the summary, I had mentioned that Tippanna fights with the Razakars because one of them would have killed his father. So, he has a fight, he flees from them and tries to escape and take refuge in his sister's house. And now, the door is closed. So, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೆಲ್ಲನೆ ಬಾಗಿಲು ಬಡಿದ. So, he now again slowly tries to knock on the door. Bagilu is door and Badida is knock. He slowly knocked on the door. Badida. He kept knocking and knocking. Haguragi Bagilu tereyitu. And the door slightly opened. Purna alla ardha. It was not fully open. Only half open. Tippanna hostilalli kaal hakida. So Tippanna put his foot on the doorway so that the door cannot close again. Gyada anna kaalu bultini. Olaga barbyada. So there's a woman talking to him and she's telling, no brother, please don't come inside. Nammannella savina bayaga turkabyada. Do not push all of us into the mouth of death. Tangi annavva 3-4 tasu irtini jasti alla. So the woman who's talking from inside the house is his sister Annavva. Tangi means younger sister. Tangi Annavva. So Tippanna is telling her, my dear sister, I will stay here only for 3 to 4 hours. 3-4 tasu means 3 to 4 hours. Jasti illa, not much. Let me stay here only for 3 to 4 hours. Hasuvu balyagyada. And I am feeling very hungry. Yenadru timbakke kodu. So he is saying, give me something to eat. ಮೊದಲು ಒಳಗ್ಬಿಡು, ಯಾರೋ ನನ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಿದ್ದಂಗ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದ. So he's saying first, allow me to come inside, let me in, because I feel somebody is following me, somebody is behind me. ಒಳಗ ಬರುವ ಅಣ್ಣನನ್ನು ತಡೆದು. So she stops, the sister does not let him in and she stops him and she tells, ಎಣ್ಣ ನೀ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಸುಳುವತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ರಜಾಕಾರರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬೀದಿಯಾಗ ನಿಲ್ಸಿ ಗುಂಡಾಕ್ತಾರ. So she says, no brother, if the Razakars even get a hint or a clue that you are here, they are not going to leave us. They are going to make us stand in the streets and shoot us. Olag barbyada, please don't come inside. Yalgana hogu, go anywhere, don't come here. Nadi nindra byada. So she's telling, come on, move, go, don't stand here. Sanji kadi ಊರಾಗ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಬಂದು ಗಸ್ತು ತಿರುಗಿದ್ರು. So she says, in the evening the police had come and they are patrolling around the village. ಅಮೀನ್ ಸಾಬ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಂತ ಇನ್ನು ಅಗಸ್ಯಾಗ ಆನಂತ. So it seems this is another person, Amin Sabru. He is also waiting near the village entrance. He also came and he was there near the village entrance. ಕಾಲಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಒಳಗ್ ಬರ್ಬ್ಯಾಡ. So she's telling, I beg you, please don't come inside. ಅಪ್ಪನ್ನ ಕೊಲ್ಲಿದ್ದವ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೊಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So he is saying, it looks like you don't have any anger towards the people who killed our father. I am out trying to kill them. ತಟುಕು ಹೊತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಹಸ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನವ್ವ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡು ತಿಂಬಾಕೆ. So he's saying, only for a little time I will be here. I am feeling very hungry. Give me something to eat. ಸಿಟ್ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಈಗ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೂ ಕೊಲ್ಲಾಕ ತಯಾರಾರು, ಪಿಸು ದನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದಳು. So the sister is telling in whispers, she's whispering to him and she's saying, why am I not angry? I am always angry about that. But now they are even ready to kill us. Vyada Anna, Jaldi Nadi Anna, Ata Iga Badlagyana. So she's saying, no, dear brother, please leave from here. Immediately you leave from here. And Ata Iga Badalagyana. Ata means she is telling about her husband. She says, my husband has changed now. He is not the same. Jivada Anchike ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ರಜಾಕಾರರ ಸೋಪ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ. So she's saying he is worried, he is afraid for his life, and now he is under the control of the Razakars. ಈ ಮಾತು ನಿಂಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. So she says, I did not want you to know about this. ನನ್ನ ಹಣೆ ಬರಹ, ಅಪ್ಪನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕಂಡೆ, ಈಗ ಅಣ್ಣನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ. She's saying, this is all my fate. I lost my father. Now I don't want to lose my brother as well. Ata kurdu ಒಳಗ್ ಬಿದ್ದಾನ. So she says, my husband, he has like drank a lot of liquor and now he is lying inside. ನೀ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರ ರಜಾಕಾರರಿಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕೊಡಾಕ ಅವನೇನು ಹೇಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So she says, if my husband comes to know that you are here, he will not hesitate to alert the Razakars and let them come and catch you. ಈ ಮಾತು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಂತ ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ. So she says, I didn't know how to convey this to you, that my husband has changed and he will not even hesitate in alerting the Razakars that you are here. So that is the reason I was trying to tell you in various other ways to not come inside. ನಾ ಸಾಯಕ್ಕ ತಯಾರೀನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು, ಆ ಕಾಸಿಮಲ್ಲಿನ ತರಾಕಡಿ ಬೇಕು. So she says, I am ready to die, but I want you to live and I want to see that Kasim Ali suffer. ಆ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಾ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು and I want to hear that news that he is suffering. ನಡಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಅಣ್ಣವ್ವ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಯ ಸರ ಬಿಗಿದವು. So she is now, even though she wants to help her brother, she is unable to help him. And now she is trying to send him away. She is telling, leave from here. ಆಕೆ ಸರಕ್ಕನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಚೀಲ ತಂದಳು. So she immediately went inside and came back with a bag. ಚೀಲ means bag. ತಗ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಇದ್ರಾಗ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಬ್ಯಾಳೆ ಆದ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಯಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ತಿನ್ನು. So she gives him the bag and she says, there is some roti and some side dish along with it. You take it, go anywhere and eat it. So ಚೀಲ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ತಿಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸರಿದ. So now remember he had put his foot on the doorway. Now he moves back. He takes the bag from her and he moves back. ಬಾಗಿಲು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡಿತು and the door shut. ಗೌ ಎನ್ನುವ ಕತ್ತಲೆ. So it was pitch dark. Kattale means dark. Gau ಎನ್ನುವ ಕತ್ತಲೆ means there was like total darkness, pitch dark everywhere. ಏನೂ ಕಾಣದು and nothing was visible. ಈ ಕತ್ತಲೆಯನ್ನು ಸೀಳಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? So he's thinking, how will I pierce through this darkness and where will I go? ಊರಿಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಬೇರೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಂತ. So he knows. Now the sisters told him that the police is patrolling around. So he's thinking, okay, the police has also come now, what will I do? ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ರಜಾಕಾರರ ದಂಡು ಈ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದೇ ಆದಂತೆ, and the army of the Razakars is also a very big army is roaming around in that village. ಅಗಸೆಯ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಉಳಿಯದು, and he thinks if he goes near the entrance of the village, he will not be alive because the police will catch him and kill him. ಆ ಓಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸೀದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಜಾಕಾರರ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್, and the other lane, the lane opposite to him, there is a mosque there, and he knows that all the Razakars camped there. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. So he decides there is a smaller lane on the other side. I think I have to take that lane and escape from this place. ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮನೆ ದಾಟಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರೋ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದ ಶಬ್ದ. So he just passed, he just crossed one or two houses when he heard a noise from behind. ತಿಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಹಿಂತಿರುಗಿ ನಿಂತು ಕೈ ಬಾಂಬಿಗಾಗಿ ಜೇಬಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟ. So he turns back and then he puts his hand inside his pocket to reach for the bomb which was in his pocket. ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ, but there was nobody around. ತಿಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಹಿಂತಿರುಗಿ ನಡೆದ. So he turned back and he started walking again. ನಾಲ್ಕೆಂಟು ಮಾರು ಹೋಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So he would have just passed a few meters. ಹಿಂದಿನಿಂದ ಗಪ್ಪನೆ ಅವನ ಎರಡೂ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದರು. Somebody came and caught hold of both his hands. ಹಿಡಿತ ಬಲವಾಗಿತ್ತು, and it was very strong. He wasn't able to free himself. ಕೊಸರಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. He couldn't free or escape from there. ನಾನು ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಾ. So the person who held his hand said, it is me, Shankaranna, you quietly come with me. ಎಂದು ಆತ ತಿಪ್ಪಣ್ಣನ ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೆಗಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈ ಹಾಕಿ ದರದರ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಇಕ್ಕಟ್ಟಾದ ಓಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾದು ಮನೆಯೊಂದರ ಹಿತ್ತಲ ಬಾಗಿಲಿಗೆ ಮೆಲ್ಲನೆ 3 ಸಲ ಬಡಿದ. So Shankaranna says, it is me, you just come along with me. And he puts his hand around Tippanna's shoulders and walks him fast. He takes him fast to some lane, a very narrow lane, and he goes to the backyard of a house and knocks the door thrice. ಬಾಗಿಲು ತೆರೆಯಿತು, and the door opened. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಒಳ ಹೊಕ್ಕರು, and they both entered and went inside the house. ಬಾಗಿಲು ಮುಚ್ಚಿತು, and the door closed. ಮುಂದೆ ಮಂದಗೆ ಚಿಮಣಿ ಉರಿಯುತ್ತಿತ್ತು, and there was a very dim kerosene lamp that was glowing. ತಿಪ್ಪಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಜೀವದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ತಿಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ was very scared. He became very scared. ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣ ಯಾರೆಂಬುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು, because he knew who was ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣ. ಆದರೆ ಆತ ಪೊಲೀಸರಿಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ತಿಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಮನೆತನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣದ್ದು ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಎನ್ನುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕುಣಿಸೇ ಇತ್ತು. Because why Tippanna was worried is because he knew who Shankaranna was, and he was wondering, what if Shankaranna gets me to the police? What if he surrenders me to the police? Because Tippanna and Shankaranna family had some enmity. They had some tension between themselves. And Shankaranna was very angry with Tippanna's family. ಆತ ತನ್ನ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೆಗಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈ ಹಾಕಿ ಬರುವಾಗ ತಾನೇಕೆ ಅವನ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ರಮಣ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೋ ಬೇಡ ಎನಿಸಿತು. So Tippanna did not attack Shankaranna. When he put his hand on Tippanna's shoulders and was bringing him, he did not attack him. He felt like it is not necessary. ಸಮಯ ಬಂದರೆ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಒಗೆದರಾಯಿತು ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡನು. So he thought, in case I am in danger or I face some difficulty, anyways I have a bomb in my pocket, I can throw it and save myself. ಚಿಮಣಿಯ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಬಾಗಿಲು ತೆರೆದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ. So in that dim light of that lamp, Tippanna saw the person who opened the door for them. ದಪ್ಪ ಮೀಸೆಯ ಕುಳ್ಳನ ಮನುಷ್ಯ. So he was a man who had thick mustache and who was a very short person. ಒಂದು ಹಲ್ಲು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. So one of his teeth had come forward. ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಸೂಸುವ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಫಳಫಳ ಹೊಳೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದವು. But his eyes were shining. It showed that he was a very trustworthy person. So I'll stop here. We'll continue the next lesson with the next video.